So it was like a whole new world, so I could explore more number of courses. When I entered this campus, I feel like it's like living a dream. So I was very happy. So I'm Vignesh. I'm from Sastra University, doing my final year of MTech in AI and Data Science. So before that, had completed my UG 6 years ago, like with 4.5 years of experience in sales. But I wanted to pursue data science, so I ended in a no field, and I wanted to go into a professional institute rather than like normal available courses in the market, as I wanted to cover the basics. So when I came about NPTEL through one of my friend and via college for taking an open elective. So it was like a whole new world, so I could explore more number of courses. So the CS background students has more exposure to the core CS courses than the MTech. So I thought of getting in competitive with them. So by completing the courses in Python and C, so I made the interviewer like believe that he's capable of learning and is with par line with the other candidates who have completed 4 years of their UG in computer science. And I should thank NPTEL for providing the basics. As someone said that like reading, knowing tools is important for the industry standard. I agree, and NPTEL could add that curriculum in future. So I would really like to thank NPTEL for making it, and like every many people mentioned, like I had the dream of getting into an IIT in UG. I tried like, and even PG I couldn't get it, but it's okay. But when I entered this campus, I feel like it's like living a dream. So I was very happy. What made so I need to just mention I have got NPTEL Superstar with like attended 6 courses in a semester, apart from 6 courses in the curriculum, and got 3 topper with 1 gold and 2 silver and 2 elite and 1 cleared. So it was a little bit hectic, but you know I managed and it paid off today. I'm very happy. I'm thanking the entire NPTEL team. And regarding assignments, it's like fantastic. Being a PG student, we have only subjective, descriptive type answers, which will not be sufficient for displaying our entire understanding. But here, in the assignments, the nuances are covered actually. So what mistakes people used to make and what assumptions we used to make, that things they ask in assignments and in the final exams, which actually make us to think. So this is very sincere effort from the NPTEL team, I should say, perspective, and I'm looking forward to come back again next time.